Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry steak tender. First, select a good cut of beef, like flank or sirloin, and prepare it properly. Next, we'll discuss the importance of a specific marinade that works wonders. Then, we'll cover the cooking technique to ensure your steak is perfectly tender every time. By following these simple steps, you'll achieve restaurant-quality results in your own kitchen, making your stir-fry truly exceptional. Achieving tender stir-fry steak begins with how you slice it. First, partially freeze your steak for about 15 minutes. This makes it much easier to cut thinly and evenly. Next, observe the grain of the meat, which refers to the direction of the muscle fibers. You must slice directly against this grain, not with it. This shortens the fibers, making the cooked meat significantly more tender. Aim for uniform pieces, about 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick, for consistent cooking. The secret to incredibly tender stir-fry steak lies in a simple marinade using baking soda. For every 12 ounces of sliced steak, mix about 1 teaspoon of baking soda with a tablespoon or 2 of water or soy sauce. Toss the steak thoroughly to coat every piece evenly. Let it marinate for 15 to 30 minutes. Do not exceed 30 minutes. Before cooking, rinse the steak very well under cold water to remove any baking soda residue. Then pat it dry. Finally, the cooking method is paramount for tender stir-fry steak. Heat your wok or skillet to a very high temperature, using an oil with a high smoke point like peanut or canola oil. Cook the steak in small batches to prevent the pan from cooling down, which would steam the meat. Stir-fry each batch quickly, for only 1 to 2 minutes, until it's just browned on the outside. Overcooking is the enemy of tender steak, so remove it promptly once done.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.